Hello everybody. I'm having a little trouble with my camera, so I got out my spare camera and I was having trouble with it too. It's a Canon Vixia HF 400. I kept getting a message that said file name error, and I removed all of the photos and videos from the SD card and I still got the error. So I found out what you do. You go to your input screen here and go back. You hit the little home, and then where it says other settings, the screwdriver and hammer, you hit that, and then where you see the wrench up here, hit the wrench, and then you start scrolling down till you get to the the file numbering. That's right, the file numbering. Keep going down, and once you get the file numbering, click it, and you want to touch reset, and once you hit reset, go back in, and in my case I still saw the file error message, so what I did is I turned off the camera and then turned it back on, and I was able to then get the regular screen which I have now. So if you're seeing a file name error and you can't fix it, and you've removed all of the photos and videos from your card, what you want to do is do that process I just showed you, and it should work. This is for the Canon the 400 Vixia, the Canon Vixia. Alright, hope that helps, guys.